Hi, today we are going to learn more about how you can set up your very own affiliate sign up page on Shopify. To do this, all you have to do is log into AI Trillion and then in the AI Trillion affiliate program section, go to configuration. In the configuration, you need to make all settings of your choice, and then you will notice an affiliate shortcode. All you need to do is copy the shortcode into the page where you want the affiliate program, the affiliate program to be displayed. So this could be a special affiliate page that you make on Shopify, which could or couldn't, it's optional whether you keep it as a part of the main navigation or you don't. Maybe it's just a page that you want to give to select people. You can also keep it as a part of the main navigation, but you do have to take this entire code and copy and paste it into the HTML editing area of your Shopify page. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, you have access to the entire AI Trillion support team by going to aitrillion.com and clicking on live chat or sending an email to support@aitrillion.com. To show you what the affiliate page looks like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my demo store. On this demo store, you will see on the main navigation, we have the affiliate. And this affiliate page basically has that code that we have put in, which allows you to first sign up for an affiliate. And once signed up, you will have access to the entire affiliate section. Thank you for watching this video today and have a great day ahead.